Welcome to this module on competitor analysis in social media marketing. In the world of social media, your competitors aren't just rivals, they are actually valuable teachers. By observing what similar brands are doing, you can spot trends, identify content gaps, and adopt best practices to improve your own strategy. Why competitor analysis is critical? So, why competitor analysis is important? Because it helps you discover which platform and content types are working in your industry, what kind of posts get the most engagement, and where your brand can stand out. Think of this as market research but through the lens of social media. What is competitor analysis in social media? Competitor analysis means studying the social media activity of businesses similar to yours. It helps you benchmark performance, uncover successful content formats, and even learn from your competitors' mistakes. Here's why. Sorry, cut this one, okay? This process typically includes identifying both direct and indirect competitors, evaluating their content, tone, and visuals, observing their audience engagement and feedback, comparing analytics like followers, post frequency, likes, and shares. How to identify your social media competitors? Start by listing your direct competitors, those who sell similar products or services in your industry or location. Then identify indirect competitors. These may not offer the same product but target the same audience or need. Example: if you own a vegan cafe in Delhi, your direct competitors are other vegan cafes nearby. But a juice bar or an organic grocery store with big Instagram following, that's indirect competitor. Use tools like Google Search, Instagram Explore, LinkedIn, or hashtags to find main players. What to look for during competitor analysis. Now, once you've identified your competitors, here's what to analyze. Platform presence. Which platform they are active on? Instagram, LinkedIn, Threads, or TikTok? Content types. Are they posting reels, memes, infographics, or live videos? What gets the most engagement? Visual branding. Do their posts look consistent? What colors, fonts, or layouts they use? Post frequency and timing. How often do they post and at what times? Are they regular with stories and lives? Engagement rate. Are people actually interacting with their content? Look at likes, comments, shares, saves, even poll responses. Community interaction. Do they reply to comments and DMs? Do they repost user content or collaborate with influencers? Tone and messaging. Is the tone playful, formal, witty, or educational? How do they present their brand's personality? Tools for competitor analysis. You can do a manual review or use tools like Meta Ad Library to see what ads competitors are running, Social Blade for follower and engagement trend, Flank's engagement calculator to estimate engagement rates, similar web or SEM Rush for web traffic and cross platform data, Sprout Social or Hootsuite for advanced benchmarking, Brand24 or Mention to track brand mentions and sentiment. Real life case study: beauty brand versus competitors. Let's look at a real life example. A cruelty-free skincare startup in India analyzed three top organic skincare brands on Instagram. They discovered most competitors posted once daily but didn't share much educational content. UGC user generated content performed best. One brand saw huge engagement with short reels debunking skincare myths. So, the startup launched a skincare science reel series tackling myths and asking users to share personal stories. The results, a 47% boost in engagement and 10,000 new followers just in 2 months, outpacing brands that had been around for years. How to document and analyze your findings. To make sense of your search, create a competitor analysis matrix using spreadsheet or Notion board track. Competitor name, platform used, number of followers, post frequency, engagement rate, best performing content, gaps or opportunities you can tap into. Update these every quarter to stay on top of trend. Using competitor insights to improve your strategy. Here's how to put your findings to work. Find gaps. Are competitors missing key topics? Fill those gaps with valuable content. Avoid mistakes. If something didn't work for them, you can either skip it or do it better. Innovate. Use their success as inspiration, then add your own unique twist. Example, if everyone is posting polished product shots, why not post behind the scenes videos or customer testimonials? That could be your edge. Final thought. Competitor analysis isn't about copying, it's about learning, adapting, and standing out. When done regularly, it provides context, sparks ideas, and helps you stay ahead of the curve in the fast paced world of social media. Thanks for watching this module on competitor analysis in social media marketing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, for more insights on, please cut this one, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed, for more insights on growing your brand through social media, see you in the next module.